Hello everybody, welcome back to part 3 of our 10.25 touchscreen adventure. Today we are going to be diving into how to connect your phone to the actual turn-by-turn BRP Go navigation system. So first off, you do need a smartphone that is capable of downloading this guy right here. The app that we are going to need is Can-Am or BRP system called BRP Go. It's directly in the App Store. I do believe it is on for Android as well as Apple. But let's jump into the cap here. Let's get rocking on this. So you got either your brand new XT HD11 cab or your Defender Limited, and we have this beautiful 10.25 inch touchscreen. When your fob is in, light up the screen. Once everything loads here, just a second, we are going to have in the bottom right corner, we have a navigation tab. Now, in order to use BRP Go, you need a USB charging cord. You have a USB outlet. In the driver's side glove box, we are going to plug this guy in. Nice solid connection there. Now, from here, if I go to navigation right now, we can either use built-in GPS. Now, we're in a big old steel box. It's not going to display the GPS right this second, or we can use BRP Go. For today's demonstration, we are going to use BRP Go. So, what you do, you open your phone, open the app itself. You'll have the Discover screen pop up. You can register in the app yourself. You don't need to actually register your vehicle to use BRP Go. I don't have this vehicle logged in on my information at all, which this guy is available for sale as well. We are going to plug in our phone. Once it shows charging, we're connected. And you can see right on the dash, once BRP Go is open, it is going to completely darken out your phone screen, which you no longer do anything on your phone. You can set it back up in the glove box, put it on your seat, hold it, whatever you want. And from here now, we have our turn-by-turn. So we can set itineraries. We can search different waypoints. Now, these are just some of the locations close to us. Our home screen here, Whispering Pines Campground, Camp Decorah, different food locations here too. You can favorite them as well. But say we want to go to this top one, Classic Chassis in Holman. We click it, we hit start. Be careful in areas not covered by federated trails and respect, once all this other stuff goes away, respect private land. Hit understood. And now we actually have turn-by-turn navigation. So in the dash itself, you can set kilometer. If you're up in Canada, you can also set for miles as well for the States. But that is how we connect our phone to our 10.25 dash to get our turn-by-turn navigation. If you guys have any questions, come and see myself, Matt, or my coworker Eric. We can walk you through in person. We have 10.25 inch touchscreen models in stock. We have cords we can help you out with. We show you how to do it so that way you guys know the best tools possible to use out on the trails. Talk to you guys soon.